Today is Wednesday, March 6th. This is the 1976 Cadillac DeVille barrel clock for my friend Paul in Washington State. The unit arrived to me completely disassembled after a failed attempted repair. So everything was completely disassembled thereafter, properly lubricated, reassembled. A couple small parts were swapped out, and the unit has been calibrated and is running perfectly. We can see it right now changing from 1132 to 1133. Okay, these original vintage barrel clocks are notorious for going bad, and this unit has been completely restored. This will be shipping out to my friend Paul in Washington as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 1978 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as these beautiful vintage barrel clocks, digital barrel clocks. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.